Hi, Mom.
Hi,
Mom.
Hi, Mom.
hi.
Mom.
Hi, 5 generations.
I'm Kylie and I'm 15. I'm Shakibra and I'm 35.
I'm Deborah and I'm 55.
I'm Gloria and I'm 71.
And I'm Wiltsy and I'm 91. 5 generations here. We are a strong family
Yes.
and we are always together.
We're so close knit. Like my mom is more like my sister, and this is definitely my homegirl. Because when we call each other, I'm like, hey girl. She's like, hey girl. We like to have fun, and a good time to me is all of us having a good time together. And that's what I love about Sephora. Like I can literally take my grandma, my great grandma, my mom, and my daughter, and everyone will have the best experience ever.
Yes, I love my lashes, honey.
When I go back to the store, I want to get my foundation.
You know one thing I remember growing up about you and makeup? If you were gonna run to the grocery store, you were gonna put on your full face before you left out the door.
And I still do.
I love that Sephora is opening up so many opportunities for us. Black-owned brands and Black businesses. That's exciting, and it makes you feel special. Everyone belongs, and you matter.
I was born 1929. I was working in the field sometime. I picked cotton.
We had to ride on the back of the bus. They had signs on the water, black and white. If we were going to eat out, we had to go through the back doors, you know. I remember all that stuff. I think it's important for Black women to be seen because, you know, we've always been pushed back. And I'm so glad to see that they're coming out.
Black women are coming forward. We together make such a powerful movement.
That's in the fabric of who we are.
We have to own that power. I think it's extremely powerful to have such beautiful women in my life. I feel like the things that they don't talk about, the fact that her husband, he has dementia. My great grandmother, you did never know that she's had cancer. You would never know my mom had lupus. You know, so it's like that's what makes these women so strong. I look up to my mom so much, and I look up to my grandma for all their accomplishments. My grandma is such a big person in my life. Little did she know. I look up to her so much, and that's so much quality time that other people don't get. Some people don't even get to go with their grandmother.
You'll make me cry.
Here, girl.
I love you, Kylie.
I love you too. My family is very strong and supportive. I know, like, if I nobody else had my back, they will. So I love them for that. It's a blessing, and I appreciate these strong women that make me who I am.